Great Chevrolet K10 by FMS model, official license. Let's make quick unboxing, details review and go run it. Am I the only one who like all versions of after models with oil-free shock absorbers? It looks very realistic. This is nicely detailed copy of the car. There are a lot of chrome details, well-made headlights, detailed interior, soft rubber tires without foam insert, pretty realistic tread. The tailgates can be opened. Much attention has been paid to details. All electronics and the battery under the hood. Let's start the car. There are installed lights, turning lights works, low and high beam headlight settings are available. Rear lights turn on when reversing. This is slower speed. Four-wheel drive. There are locked differentials. This is very useful for off-road crawling. And now let's try the car on various obstacles. Let's load the truck a little bit. Look at the rear wheels, it looks like deflated. That is incredible. This Chevrolet K10 looks very good in the nature. Look at these colors. Let's enjoy this beauty. I'm delighted with this car. In the following video will be the process of installing the light and the winch on the Bronco, and we will test it. Subscribe so you don't miss a new video review, and also a review of something new by FMS. Stay tuned!